The phoenix and the fire. The phoenix is a mythical bird that reincarnates from the ashes of its predecessor. It's vibrant and, according to the Roman poet Claudian, shines with the sun's own light and shatters the darkness with its calm brilliance. Isn't that awesome? That is so cool. I mean, who wouldn't want that, right? The phoenix image has been used since ancient Egypt or Greece and has been adopted into various cultures and religions that follows. Firebirds, in some shape or form, are also themes in other cultures. The phoenix story represents really well where a lot of us are right now. The phoenix emerges from a fire, from the ashes. It is rebuilding itself. Fire is a complete destruction of what was before. Ashes are what is left. They are a good fertilizer for what comes next. As drastic as this can look and feel, in nature, this is a known cycle. In some parts of the world, regular fires clear things out and enable new growth. They are part of conscious land management. Some seeds need fire to be released. Fire can also get completely out of control. It then destroys things we would have rather kept. And there are ashes. The mess, damages and loss, physical harm and grief and everything that comes with that. And yet, there is the phoenix, who still manages to come out of it, who reassembles from destruction and takes flight, eventually. We don't know what shape the phoenix was in when it emerged. We can assume it was a little bit battered and singed. It might be confused about what happened to its world. It might be grieving for what was lost. It might be in pain. And still, eventually, it will take flight. It's in its nature to do this. I find this comforting. So that's the introduction about how I got to the phoenix and why this is a good metaphor. The rest is in the book. Check it out.